more Excel users among you be very happy. Conditional formatting in tables. It's very straightforward. All you have to do is, of course, highlight the table that you want to change, and then you want to go strictly to the actual column that's in the value section. So here I have rows, I have product, and under values I have sales and units sold. So let's get these some unique conditional formatting. I hit the drop down just to the right of sales and move up here to conditional formatting. Let's change, look at all of our options. Let's do background color. Keep it the simplest. And I suppose a gradient could work. Let's check off add a middle color. Personally, what did I do before? Looks like, yeah, I did green at the top and we can make red at the bottom here. Notice I did check off add a middle color option. We could make that based on values if we wanted, or just the middle, lowest, and highest value. I hit OK. Boom, there goes sales. Now let's do this again for units sold. I go to units sold under values, and then I click conditional formatting, background color, add a middle color, and we'll do the same thing here where we will make it red for the bottom and green for the top. Boom, there you go. Feel free to play with the other options as well. Yes, if I go to conditional formatting, you can change the font color, add data bars, even icons, say up and down arrows if you want. Lots of options here, just like Excel.